Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is while you're watching this. This is a quick comparison film between three different GoPro cameras which are up to 10 years old, and the image stabilisation quality when things get a bit boingy when trail riding or attached to Tigger or Zebedee. And I have a quick Winnie the Pooh still here to stop this film being shown in China. I'm not sure if China allow YouTube, probably not, but Winnie the Pooh's been banned since somebody compared it to their president, which is most amusing. Good job they don't have British satire in China. Anyway, getting on with the main thing, I have a boingy setup here which I use when trail riding for filming behind me, and the distance between the end of the luggage mount where I attach the claw and the centre of the ball for the camera to be mounted on is about 150mm. What this means is there's an awful lot of leverage on it and all suspension movement is exaggerated. So for comparison, I chucked on the Hero 3, Hero 5 and Hero 8 and went for a ride along a road near me. You can see that the Hero 3 has far less inbuilt stabilisation on it, but the Hero 8 is a little bit saturated on the colour scheme. Now when it comes to battery longevity and the longevity of the batteries, I do have a lot of issues with the Hero 8, but the image stabilisation is very good. As you can see here, I've ridden over some rough stuff, the bike behind me is going to ride over it, and if you look at the headlight flashing, it's the forks moving up and down as the bike comes over the rougher ground. So you can see that the Hero 8 gives a lot better image stabilisation, and I use this for this particular purpose. For general use, it's awful. The file sizes are huge, the transfer times are massive, and the batteries are crap, and I'll be coming on to that in another film. Anyway, whatever camera you've got, if you use one, hope you're happy with it, and tatty bye for now.